Not everything that you put on your vision board will definitely come true. 40% of my vision board did sail through, but the rest 60% it did not even come close. क्योंकि जो भी हम विजन बोर्ड पर डालते हैं जरूरी नहीं कि वो सिर्फ एक साल का गोल हो. It can be your long term goal which can take a couple of years or even 3 to 5 years for that experience to come true. Nonetheless, you should have at least 70% on your vision board that should be realistic, but 30% that should be delusional because you never know. You'll have to put that thought in your mind or you have to write it somewhere so that one day it will come true. So let's see what came true and what did not. और कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि आपने जो विजन बोर्ड पे डाला है उससे ज्यादा भी होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लास्ट विजन बोर्ड में मैंने ये डाला था that me completing 20K, but here we are 28K followers, which I'm so grateful for. So first we have the Goa. And the second one is a Bali trip, for which I did plan for my sister's bachelorette, but somehow the time did not permit or some of the reasons came through, but it is pending. With respect to the fitness, starting के 6 months काफी सही चल रहे थे, but then शादी shopping came and everything went haywire, and hopefully we can get fitter and better in 2026. Next is the investment part, which I did do a marathon जो मैंने नहीं किया. Earning through content creation, definitely we did sail through that. So looking forward to 2026 and working with brands which I am just dreaming of. Baking उतना नहीं किया, but definitely थोड़ा सा किया. And then there is a stamping on my passport जो नहीं हुआ. Maybe next year with family, with friends, or just solo, you never know. So yes, hoping for that. There are some of the things which I have not mentioned it here, but definitely I'd put it. You should also do that vision board thing. Just, writing things makes it better, and like it's already there, you know it, and you've already thought about it, and thoughts become things. So why not? You should do that.